Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore something really important in basic electronics: electrical circuit components and their symbols. Whether you're just starting out or need a quick refresher, this lesson will help you identify common components like resistors, capacitors, LEDs, switches, and more. And most importantly, understand the symbols used to represent them in circuit diagrams. By the end of this video, you'll be able to recognize these symbols easily and know exactly what role each part plays in an electrical circuit. So grab your notebook and let's get started. One, diode. A diode allows current to flow in only one direction. It acts like a one-way gate in a circuit, protecting components from damage caused by reverse current. 2. Capacitor. A capacitor stores electrical energy and releases it when needed. It helps smooth out voltage changes and can also filter signals in electronic circuits. Third, cell. A cell is a source of electrical energy. It provides the voltage, or push, that drives current through the circuit, just like a small battery. 4. Key, switch. A key or switch opens and closes the circuit. When it's closed, on, current flows. When it's open, off, the current stops. It controls when the circuit is active. 5. Voltmeter. A voltmeter measures the voltage, or potential difference, between 2 points in a circuit. It tells you how much electrical energy is being used or supplied. 6th, LED, light-emitting diode. An LED gives off light when current flows through it in the correct direction. It's an energy-efficient light source used in indicators and displays. 7th, inductor. An inductor stores energy in a magnetic field when current flows through it. It resists changes in current and is often used in filters or tuning circuits. 8. Fuse. A fuse is a safety device. It melts and breaks the circuit if too much current flows, preventing damage to other components or fire hazards. 9. Resistor. A resistor limits or controls the flow of current in a circuit. It helps protect other components by making sure they don't get too much current. 10. Bulb. A bulb converts electrical energy into light and heat. It lights up when current flows through it and is a visual indicator that a circuit is working. 11th. Buzzer. A buzzer is an output device that produces sound when electric current flows through it. It's often used in alarms, timers, and alert systems. 12th. Rheostat. A rheostat is a special type of resistor used to control the flow of electric current in a circuit. It can increase or decrease resistance, which changes the brightness of a light or the speed of a motor. 13th. Ammeter. An ammeter is an instrument used to measure the amount of electric current flowing through a circuit. It is connected in series with the components so that all the current flows through it. 14. Wire. A wire is a conductor that carries electric current from one part of the circuit to another. Most wires are made from copper because it allows electricity to pass through easily. 15th. Galvanometer. A galvanometer is a device that detects and measures small electric currents in a circuit. It works by deflecting a needle when current flows through a coil inside it. And that wraps up our look at the key components of an electrical circuit and their symbols. I hope this video made things simpler and clearer. Now you can confidently read and draw basic circuit diagrams. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Share it with a friend and subscribe so you don't miss out on more science and electronics lessons. Have any questions or want us to cover something specific? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and stay curious.